In this video, we're going to show you how to look up replacement parts for your broken tools. If you're like me, you break them. Now we're going to show you how to fix them. Let's get after it. Power Toolsafe cannot automatically open a new window on your computer to instantly show you e-replacement parts without your permission. So first, go to Profile and select Automatically Open e-replacement parts when status is broken. This gives us permission to do so. Now, go back to My Tools and select any tool that is broken. Voila!
For more information on how to protect your equipment, check out all the resources and videos on the Learning tab at www.powertoolsafe.com.